Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can upload a cover photo in OnlyFans. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in OnlyFans, and now here you want to go to top right corner, and here you want to click on my profile, then edit profile, and you're gonna select upload cover image here. Click on it, and now here you want to add a cover image like, I don't know, YouTube or whatever. And then click save changes. Right when you're gonna do it, and yeah, so this is pretty much how we do it. Have a great day, everybody, and if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and goodbye.